All right, we got 1 minute to this skid steer unlocks. I was supposed to get a John Deere 317G, but instead I got a Cat 259D. Now I'm really not tripping. They're both really good machines, and honestly this one might be better because we're kind of in a tight space. It's a little bit smaller than the Deere, but I've operated one of those John Deeres before. I have not operated a Cat. Now to be fair, the controls are pretty much exactly the same, so I'm really not too worried, but it is a little annoying. Today will be our first YouTube video ever, so that's gonna be pretty sick. We got the drone out, I got my photographer here and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna get to work with the skid.